bro partner. Jeez. Oh wow, really? Damn that low life man of yours. What does he bring on the table? He's useless, just like my ex-husband. No friend, but sometimes I feel sorry for you. For what good reason? He's useless, Sharon. You'll die of hunger. Wow. He's useless. He doesn't deserve you. Melo says the best man for you. Yeah, I know. Got the intention of wait.